Hi guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at one of the MG cool features named Follow Me Home feature. So this particular feature is available on a lot of MG vehicles, all the way from the ZS, ZST, ZS EV, and to HS plug-in hybrid, and potentially the MG4 coming in to New Zealand and Australian market. A lot of you may not know, I've been working as an MG salesperson for nearly 3 years. And quite frankly, I have never got this feature 100% correct every single time when I show the customer this feature. Some time ago, someone commented on YouTube about how this feature works. So I dig through the owner's menu. Actually, I found out it's a big surprise. It's not what I thought it would be. So here I am. This is the cool thing about YouTube. I'll do videos, I'll do tutorials, so you don't have to go through the 3 years period I've been explaining this feature to my clients incorrectly. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe and like to support this channel. And let's turn the camera around and get this started. Alright, so we're now in the MG ZST, or similar panel as the ZS EV, the new model. But if you have any other vehicles, you can find this in pretty much exactly same location. So what we want to find is this car setting. So again, in some other cars, this car setting may hidden over here, maybe in the second menu, or if in the new version of the ZS EV, you may find in the secondary menu in the vehicle setting. Anyway, going to this car setting over here. Now we want to go to comfort and convenience. Under the comfort convenience, we have lighting. So the lighting will have a follow me home function. So this has to be enabled, obviously, to use this feature. I will explain how to use that. If you do not wish to use this, click off. If you want to use this, you can click on. If it's not a new MG ZS EV, you're able to switch this on and off, and also you're able to select between 30 seconds to 90 seconds. So we're on the standard petrol version or HS, you can only select on or off. That means only 30 seconds will be the display time for the follow me home lights. So what we want to do, if you want to engage the follow me home function, once it's engaged, once you have the vehicle running, if your headlight stays on while the vehicle is running, and then you power off the vehicle. After the power off, we want to push the lever back towards the steering, just one touch. That means your headlight will stay on for 30 seconds. Now you can get out of the vehicle, lock the vehicle. Even if you lock the vehicle, the headlight will still stay on for 30 seconds. So you can see your driveway, you can see your surrounding areas in front of you. So that's quite handy before you get home, get to your garage, anything like that. So this is a cool feature that's available. If you do want to cancel that following me home, you just tap again. So the 30 seconds will not wait until 30 seconds. Instead, automatically disengage for you, so no lights when you get out. So I'll show you in the dark how that works as well. So very cool feature. Cool. So now you can see I'm in the vehicle with the vehicle running. It's dark outside. That means the auto headlight is engaged on this level, and the headlight is on. Obviously, we are going to push the engine off, switch off, just like that. And then if we do want to use the follow me home function at the front, what we want to do, pull the light control back towards the steering once, just like that. The headlight is now on. And obviously, if you do not want to engage that anymore, you can pull it back. So lights are off. But if you do want to use that, pull it. And let's get out the car and see what will happen. There we go. Look at that. So the headlight stays on for example, this is 30 seconds. So even if I lock the vehicle, they will still stay on. Same as the tail lights, just like that. So obviously this particular setting is 30 seconds. In some other models you can set it longer, but then that allows you to see driveway or your surrounding areas before you go into your garage or car parks, everything like that. After 30 seconds, this will automatically disengage. There we go. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and content, please make sure you subscribe and like for more MG videos in the future. See you next time.